Here are a few examples. If you are adding, you have to have the same exponent. If they're the same, you'll keep your exponent and you'll add those coefficients. Boom, we're done. All right, if we are multiplying, we're going to multiply those coefficients and then we're going to add the exponents. So 10 to the power of 10. If we're going to divide, we will need to subtract the exponents. So 10 to the power of 3, and then 3 divided by 2. So if we have $3 and we're sharing it with 2 people, each of us would get $1.50. So 1.5 times 10 to the power of 3. All right, let's see if there's one. Let's take a peek at this one. All right. 8 times 4, that is 32. If we add our exponents, we get 10 to the power of 9. So we need to move our exponent 9 this way, but we can't have 32, so we'll change that to 3.2 times 10 to the power of. So now since we move the decimal further away from where we want it, we're going to have to move it more, so our exponent will be a 10. All right, let's try some with negative exponents. All right, so let's say we're doing this one. Oops, that's a typo. That should probably be right there. So this one is division. So if we're subtracting these exponents, we're going to do -5 minus -3. We could add the opposite. So -5 plus +3 would be -2. So that would be your exponent here, and then you would just have to divide right here to get this. And I would imagine you have $2.50 divided by 5 people. Feel free to sketch it out. Let's do this one. All right, so when we add or subtract, those exponents need to be the same. They are not the same. We want to convert to the bigger exponent. This one is bigger. It's further to the right on a number line. So if we convert this one to a -2, we're changing the exponent by 1. We're going to change this to 0.4. So $7 minus 40 cents would be $6.60 times 10 to the power of -2.